give the heading Readlines method and shift plus enter. So this is our heading. Now what we do, F equal to open, but before it we will create a file and write something. So guys, write will automatically create a file if the file does not exist. Okay, so write or create a file. So first F equal to open my file. So in this time the file name is my file 2.txt, and then specify your method r, and then f dot write something here. For example, hello world, and then use \n again, and everyone, this is \n. Okay, and then this is a Python course, and again \n, and then this is a awesome Python course. Okay, now f dot close. So what is the error? IO open, no such directly, f dot 2. So the error is, we will open the file in write mode and then write. Now there is no error. Now read this file, f equal to open my file.txt and then r, and then f dot read. So this is our output, but simple read method not print this statement in the next line. So we will use readlines method now. So f equal to open my file.txt. Now use while true. While the condition is true, the code will execute. Line equal to f dot read line, print line, and if not line, print line comma type, and then line, and then break. Now execute this code, and what is the output? So in line 7, not close parenthesis, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so here double bracket. Now this is our output. So hello world, and then space, or we can say that \n, and then this statement will print in the next line, and the type of line is class str, means this is a string file. Now what we do, we will write here backslash n, and then this is a awesome Python course. Okay, now again run this code. So backslash n, and okay, now run this code and then execute this code. So this is the output. Okay, and so the third statement also print here in the next line. Okay everyone, so this is the code. Please take a look. So in this way you can use readlines method and create your own file without going to the user or C drive. You can directly read your file, create your file, and then apply methods on it, and then use readline method. And alright everyone, that's you have hopefully understood about readlines method. So let's take a closer look to this code, and then we will move to the next topic. Okay everyone, so readline method is useful when we have to parse value and when we have many data, like data science and AI students download the data sets, which is many data inside that data set, and you can also download the data set on the Kaggle website. So here we will write one more code of readline method. For example, f equal to open code to readlines method. Okay, now f equal to open my file dot txt, and the file name is myfile2.txt. Okay, now write text equal to f dot write, and then 56 45, this is our value, and then we use next line 12 comma 34 comma 63, and then backslash n. So this is forward slash, but we will use backslash. Okay, and then this is the last value 13 64 and 23. Okay, close bracket. Now print the variable and f dot close. Now execute. So there is 28 characters. Now f equal to open my file dot txt, and this is my file 1. What we are doing, wait, first we will write our code and then see the output and understand what this code says. So print content and f dot close. Okay, my file 1 are no such directory, my file 1, so this is my file 2. Okay, so you can also print your values in this way. So using readline method, we can use readline method, and this is efficient readable code. Okay, now what we do? We will use readline method, as we know that we can read the value in more better and efficient way using read and readline method. So f equal to open my file 2.txt, and then r, this is using readline method, while true line equal to f dot read line, and then print line. If not line, print, and colon, and this is inside the while block. Print line comma type of line, and then break. Now we can read in more efficient and more readable format using readline method. Now we can also read in more efficient way. For example, f equal to open my file.txt comma r, and then I equal to 0. Okay, while true I equal to I plus 1, line equal to f dot read line, and then break. Okay, and then m1 equal to line dot split, so this function will split our code 0th index, and then m2 equal to, similarly m2 equal to line 2 dot split, and 1, and then m3 equal to line dot split. Okay, now what we do, print marks of student I in maths. Okay, and then m1, and then close bracket, and similarly just copy it, Control C and Control V. Okay, and this is m2, and this is m3, and now print your lines. So print your line. So this is our output. So this is more efficient way to read your file content. So alright everyone, now that you have hopefully understood this code also, and let's take a closer look to this code, and then we will move to the next topic, Writelines method. Okay, now Writelines method. First, the Writelines method in Python write a sequence of strings to a file. The sequence can be any iterable object, as we know that, such as a list or tuple. So here is an example of how to use the writeline method. For example, this is write f equal to open my file dot txt comma read and then lines equal to lines 1 backslash n and comma line 2 comma line 2 and then backslash n and then comma line 3. Okay, now f dot write lines and then f dot close. Okay,
Use with Grammarly can.
so f dot close and then execute this code. Now we will read our file. So how to read this file? F equal to open my file dot txt comma we want to open the file in read mode. Okay, now what we have to do, f dot open. Now here we open our file in write mode and then write, and this is our variable and this is list, and then f dot writelines method and f dot close. Now execute this code. F dot, actually this is read. So here is our output. In this way you can use writelines method and readline method also, and readline method provide us to read our content in more efficient way. So alright everyone, I hope that you have hopefully understood what is readlines method and what is writelines method. So let's take a closer look to its code. Okay everyone,